In Haitian Creole, counting numbers from 100 to a billion is even more simple than from 0 to 100. If you already know the basic numbers from the previous lesson, all you have to do is learn how to say 100, 1,000, a million, and a billion in Creole. Once you know how to say these numbers, you have done most of the work already. This is because large numbers in Creole are organized in a very similar way as they are in English. Let us first start by counting by 100. The Creole word for 100 is simply 100. You should not say 100 for 100. So now to go up by hundreds, all you have to do, for example, is put deux, trois, or quatre in front of 100. So 200 is deux cents. 300 is trois cents. 400 is quatre cents, and so on. Let us now practice by breaking down some numbers into standard form. In Creole, therefore, 250 is 250. 342 is 342. So how would you say this number? If you said 668, then you are correct. Now again, be careful with 100. Remember, 100 is always pronounced as 100. For example, 138 is not 138, but it is simply 138. Let us now count by thousands. The Creole word for 1,000 is simply mille. You should not say un mille for 1,000. Although it is not a major problem, it is best practice to simply say mille instead. So now, to go up by thousands, all you have to do is put deux, trois, or quatre in front of mille, for example. So 2,000 is deux mille. 3,000 is trois mille. 4,000 is quatre mille, and so on. The pattern is the same for larger numbers too. For example, 50,000 is 50,000. 100,000 is 100,000. 700,000 is 700,000, and so on. Now let us be more specific. Again, large numbers in Creole are organized in a very similar way as they are in English. So, having this in mind, can you say this number? If you said 342,226, then you are correct. Just remember, 1,000 is always pronounced as mille. For example, 1,038 is not 1,038, but it is simply 1,038. Let us now learn how to count by the millions and billions. The Creole word for million is million, and the Creole word for billion is milliard. The patterns and structure are virtually the same as the other sets of numbers. The key difference is that you must say 1 million for 1 million and 1 milliard for 1 billion. And besides that, simply follow the same pattern as before. So, how would you say this number? If you said 1,200,000, then you are correct. How about this number? If you said 1,400,000,200,000, then you are correct here as well. So as you can see, counting large numbers in Haitian Creole is not hard at all. The key is knowing the basic patterns. For more videos like this, please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.